Grow juicy citrus like never before. Give your citrus trees the ultimate boost with the perfect blend of nutrients. Whether you're planting in pots or freshening up your garden beds, this specially crafted mix has everything your trees need to stay strong and productive. Made from composted pine bark, it ensures excellent drainage and aeration, just what citrus trees love. Plus, it's enriched with organic fertilizers to nourish your trees for up to 12 weeks. With this powerful combo, your citrus trees will get the energy they need to produce delicious, juicy fruits. This mix isn't just for planting. It's also perfect for mulching around existing trees, helping to retain moisture, keep roots cool, and protect your citrus all year long. The unique ingredients support healthy root growth and improve soil structure, making it easier for your trees to grow well all year long. Zest up your garden with Bark Unlimited Organic Citrus Mix, your secret to juicy, homegrown fruit.